Hey guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Ace Life, and I actually have two unboxings today and an announcement. So, the first thing we have is this Boxycharm for February. And then I also have a Rocksbox that I'm going to share with you just real quickly. I am also going to let you know real quick that I am on 90 subscribers, and as soon as I reach 100, I will have a 100 subscriber giveaway for you. So make sure that if you haven't already, that you have hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss that video. But right now we're going to go ahead. I think first we're going to do the Rocksbox because I went ahead and I have that on. So if you don't know, a Rocksbox is a rental jewelry company subscription box. So you will receive 3 items in the mail. You will wear them for as long as you would like, and then you send them back when you're done and want some new jewelry. Or you can purchase any of the jewelry that you have. There is a $21 rental fee every single month, but if you were to purchase one of the items, that $21 comes off of that item that you purchased. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick what I got, and I have it all on. So the first thing I got this month was a bracelet. So it is gold chain bracelet, adjustable here. So this is the Aster toggle bracelet, and it is $46. And then the second item that I got was a Kendra Scott peri-metal short pendant, and I have that on as well. I don't know if you can see this. It's a very simple, kind of shiny black stone. I don't know how well you can see it. I'm sorry. There you go. Maybe that's a little bit better. And the cost for that would be $58. And then I also got a Kendra Scott Layla Long pendant necklace in Opalite Illusion. And this is a longer necklace. And that stone is just gonna reflect the light, so it's kind of hard to see. You can go on to their website and you can pick items that you want. I didn't do that. I just have what they sent me. I didn't even look at them ahead of time. So I think they're all very pretty pieces, and there will be a link in the description down below if you are wanting to try Rocksbox out. All right, guys, so here we are on to the Boxycharm, and it is the February edition. So there's a little postcard that came with it, and we'll have the prices on the back that I'll go over as I'm going through the products. The first item that we have in the Boxycharm is, I'm just going to go in order of the card. So we have the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. Okay, so this is the palette here. Lots of neutrals, some glittery that I'm not always a fan of, but the colors are really pretty. So that was the Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. I'm sorry. It retails for $36. It says your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter, enriched with a blend of hyaluronic acid and mango seed butter to help hydrate skin while reducing the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. That sounds awesome. I know hyaluronic acid is really good for aging and a lot of anti-aging products, so that's pretty cool. So this on the side is a highlighter and a blush, and then the shadows. So that is a good one to just kind of throw in your suitcase and have. So the second item that we have is going to be a hydrating cream, Age Away. It is Lavito Age Away Hydrating Cream. It says this moisturizer is clinically Clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. A high concentration of plant actives, including antioxidant-rich sea buckthorn and evening primrose seed oil, also rich in fatty acids, promotes cellular regeneration to restore elasticity and firmness. All right, this retails at $55. For this, that is 1.69 ounces. So, great product to try out. And then also, we have another Wonder Beauty product. It's a double date lip and cheek. Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. Here we go. Can you see that? I'm sorry. This lightweight duo pairs as a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. $22 is what this retails for. And I have actually been wanting kind of a cream blush. My daughter uses some and she really likes it. And I have makeup button now, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. But, and obviously I have lipstick on too, so I don't know, but that is a really nice product too. Okay. Then we also have Handskin, this Hyaluron Skin Essence. So, developed by the inventor of K-Beauty's first BB cream. This hydrating essence helps you achieve glass skin with sodium hyaluronate, a powerful moisturizer capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This cushiony, non-sticky formula instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow, and it retails for $48. And Boxycharm is $25 a month. So this being $55 and this $48, and then the others $22, $36, and we still have one item left. I think that these beauty boxes are such a great deal for almost all the time. So let's do the last one. The last product is a St. Luxe Beauty limited edition liner duo. This says this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort, achieving a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. So these two liners, they're just kind of a tad off in color, if you can see that. And they retail for $40. This is $40. So that's it, guys, for this unboxing. So again, remember, I'm going to have a giveaway coming up soon. There will be, I know there's a palette in it. I'm kind of starting to get things together. There's a palette and a highlighter and a couple of face masks and a few other items. So make sure that you click that notification bell so that you do not miss that giveaway video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the next unboxing video. Bye. 55. Let's try this again. I don't even know if I was on the camera. I'm sorry.